This is the 5th or 6th time I've shown using a pool noodle as a simple solution. This time I'm going to show how to use it as a water hose. Next time you have a large bucket you need to fill that won't fit into your sink or under your faucet, you can fill it using the pool noodle. First, set the bucket on the floor, and then take the end of the noodle and slip it over the kitchen faucet. Then make sure the other end, of course, is in the bucket. Then simply turn on the water. Be sure to hold both ends so that it doesn't get pushed off by the water pressure. And there, you can see the water very quickly and easily flows through the pool noodle and right into the bucket. Now this is great anytime you need to use hot water as well. If you don't have hot water on an outside faucet, you can get it right from any sink in the house. It's great for washing a car, washing a dog. And once you have enough water in there, just turn it off and wait a second or two for the water to drain out. Then remove the pool noodle. The only thing you need to remember is when you use this trick, be sure to get a noodle with a hole down the middle.